Hey guys, today we are going to be making Corey's green alkaline smoothie. So we have all these good fruits and vegetables. We already got started by putting 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon in our container. And now we're going to start adding all of this. So we're going to start off with adding the apples. Now we're going to add the strawberries. So now we're going to add 5 medjool dates to our mix without the pits. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going to add about 30 ounces of alkaline water to our container. So now we're going to put 1 tub of baby spinach in our smoothie. It's about 8 ounces. So since this blender is full, we're going to go ahead with the blending process. Just set it on there. And so once you've got that all blended down, we're going to go ahead and add another 8 ounces of the baby spinach right into our mixture. And now I'm going to throw some broccoli on top, just to push down the spinach with. All right. Now we're going to put the top back on and go in for round 2. So once you're done blending for a second time, we're going to throw our cucumbers in. Yes. All right. And then throw the lid back on. And just make sure to blend the cucumbers at a lower speed than you would the other ones. The reason that we blend our cucumbers at a lower speed is just to make sure that they don't get stuck in the blade, because that unbalances the blend and doesn't blend everything correctly. So just make sure you put it at like a 3 or 4 when blending. So now we're going to throw in our green bell peppers just through the top. There we go. All right. Throw on the lid. So now it's time to add our celery. We're going to start off with 4 and go from there. Usually just break them in half so they can fit into the blender. All right. And let's just throw them in the top. And now we're going to blend on high for about 20 to 30 seconds. So once everything's all blended up, it's time to pour. There we go. So after making this batch, I'm going to drink 1 smoothie a day, starting with this one. This is my first try. Oh, it's so good. It's awesome. So we saran wrapped these cups and secured it with a rubber band just for travel. We've tried to fill the smoothie all the way to the top of the cup just to keep as much air out as possible. This just preserves everything inside and keeps it fresh and ready to drink.